Guys, we are now at Mount Pukis. That is Bontoc. And that area is where you can take a good shot, good pictures. So guys, I think let's see. I'll just go down more. Just need to go down and show you. Not the one who came here. So I think there's a change here. Yeah. Somehow they still manage to repair the road. I don't know whose project is this. So it was repaired. Wow, until here. Little by little they are trying to cement this road going up there. Although when going here at Mount Pukis, you can go here. You have a service, you can park here. You can freely park here and just at least walk at least 500 meters. Then that's the Mount Pukis. I don't know whose project are this. But the trail is here. Usually this is the U-turn of 6 kilometers in this area because this is a station. We'll go here. I don't know if I'll go down and down and down. Then I have strength more to return home. Because I don't know, out of curiosity, and I miss this trail because there are memories here. because this is the trail of Tawid Mountain Marathon. Or TMM. So when every time Tawid will, most of the time when the Tawid will host an event, this is the main #1 trail. Of course, this is my first time. Nope. This is my second time, I think. Because the art trail, when we first tried to join the TMM, the Tawid is I don't know. It turns out it is hiking already. So I still remember the trail. Trail is still good because actually last month is supposedly the all-time, most of the time it is for Team Tawid or TMM, Tawid Mountain Marathon, host the event the month of June. But this year they did not host an event. I don't know. So guys, I think that's it. I'll have a U-turn. Time check, 12:21 p.m. So I think I'll have a U-turn because this is it is already raining and it's an uphill and I'm hungry. So guys, maybe that's it. My plan is to go to the private area where you this kind of plants only grows, and there are seldomly pine trees growing there. But I think another time, just another time. So we will go home now. This is my U-turn.